What are the main threats to Longfin Mako sharks? Have you ever wondered what challenges the Longfin Mako shark faces in the vast ocean? This remarkable species is not just a beautiful creature but also an important part of marine life. However, it is currently classified as endangered, and several threats contribute to this alarming status. Let's take a closer look at these challenges. One of the biggest threats to Longfin Mako sharks is bycatch in fisheries. These sharks are often caught unintentionally while fishing for other species, like shortfin makos or various pelagic fishes. This incidental capture leads to increased mortality rates, making it harder for their population to recover. Another significant threat comes from the shark fin trade. While Longfin Mako fins and meat are considered lower quality compared to other sharks, they are still targeted for this trade. The demand for shark fins continues to drive many sharks, including Longfin Makos, into dangerous waters. The reproductive rate of Longfin Makos also poses a challenge. They produce relatively few offspring, typically just 2 pups per litter. This low fecundity means that even small losses in their population can take a long time to recover from. Their unique reproductive cycle involves a placental viviparity with oophagy, where embryos feed on unfertilized eggs inside the mother. Additionally, Longfin Mako sharks are uncommon and have a low population density in most areas. This rarity makes it difficult to gather enough biological and ecological knowledge to support effective conservation efforts. Without sufficient data, it becomes challenging to implement strategies that could help protect them. Another factor to consider is the slow population growth of Longfin Makos. Their population doubling time is estimated to be over 14 years. This slow growth makes them particularly vulnerable to overexploitation, as they cannot bounce back quickly from population declines. Lastly, the lack of species-specific conservation measures leaves Longfin Mako sharks exposed to ongoing threats. Currently, there are no targeted actions in place to protect them, which means they continue to face risks without adequate support. From a broader perspective, the decline of Longfin Mako sharks disrupts the balance of ocean ecosystems. As mid-level predators, they play a vital role in maintaining the populations of their prey, such as small schooling fish and cephalopods. Protecting Longfin Makos is essential not only for their survival but also for the health of our oceans. Practical conservation efforts could include reducing bycatch through improved fishing practices and enforcing regulations against finning. Research is also needed to better understand their biology and population dynamics. Establishing marine protected areas and species-specific management plans could help ensure that Longfin Mako sharks thrive in their natural habitat.